That's Daisy.
Hi, Daisy. Hi, sweetie.
She was actually born here, right into my hands.
Aww.
And she's 2 years old now. We're going to start riding her soon.
Aww, she's so cute.
I don't know where she is. Where are you going?
She left us.
Captured creatures.
Ah, gotcha.
Sorry, I didn't mean to abandon you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
You going to show her the fishies?
All right. Do you have anything to feed them?
No. Fed it all to them yesterday.
Aww. Do you have frogs in here too?
Yeah.
They're everywhere.
Tadpoles?
Lots of tadpoles.
Oh man. Okay, maybe if I bend over.
I like it when you bend over. You're getting the wrong view, Les.
Oops.
Should I do it from this way?
This isn't working.
Oh, crap. Did you guys go to the other barn yet?
There really are fish in there, guys.
They're all fluorescent orange.
They're actually Japanese koi.
Aw. Do they get really big?
They get huge.
There's a couple of ones that are like that big in there.
Did they hide?
Yeah, the bigger ones are evidently the smarter ones because we have birds that come down and eat them.
Oh,
So you don't see the big ones very often.
That's why there's so
natural
many.
selection.
Exactly. That's why there's so many lily pads in here.
Where are we going now? Is your stallion out here?
Yeah, he's in one of the stalls. Both of them are. Actually, I think the blue-eyed one is in the other front barn.
Did you tell her that you breed horses and all that good stuff?
We breed horses.
Nice.
Yeah,
I kind of gathered that.
we do color genetic breeding. So, like, if you wanted a brown horse, I can make it. You want a gray horse, I can make it. You want a white horse, a black horse,
What about a black one with gray speckles?
I can make a white one with black speckles.
Oh, that's close enough.
I can make pretty much any color you want with stripes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Stripes.
Stripes.
Like a zebra
Like a
or
zebra?
a single stripe?
A dorsal stripe, which runs down the length of their back, and then stripes on their legs, and then stripes kind of on their belly, called barrel stripes too.
So
Yeah.
not stripes like you
Nice.
would.
Do you have pigs?
No, we did have a pot-bellied pig, but the wolf hybrid didn't care for it too much. So, but apparently it was quite tasty.
Well, that's all that matters, right?
Yeah. I think Audie is right there.
Where is it?
Audie's in there.
Oh, why do you have him blocked off?
So the mares can't come over and flirt with him.
Okay, I'm going to try holding it.
Is that working for you?
You have such
Apparently
cute
not.
hiccups. They're very cute.